Hey guys, welcome to my channel Stick. In this video I am going to talk about Call of Duty. Call of Duty is a one-man shooter video game. It is now available for PC. Like PUBG and Fortnite, it will come to mobile very soon. If I go to Play Store and search Call of Duty, you can see here Call of Duty Mobile. You can pre-register from here and you can see it is coming soon. So I have to pre-register and I registered for this. If this game launched for mobile, I will get notification. And now I will tell you the release date of the game Call of Duty Mobile. For this you have to just search on Google and you can see Call of Duty Mobile is here, and just tap here for more information. You can see here, from here you can pre-register, and here they are saying free to play and more stuffs, and also it will be from, you can pre-register from Google Play and also App Store, and from this website you can also register for the game. And here are the frequently asked question FAQs. From here I will tell you the launch date of the game. Here they are saying stay tuned, as well announce more information in the coming months. For now, pre-register for updates to be the first to play or pre-launch beats this year. Probably this mobile version will launch in the next month, probably in April. If you are interested, register now and wait for the game. If you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get interesting videos like this. I hope to see you in my next video.